Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to add TikTok sounds on video with CapCut. One of the many expert video editing options available in CapCut is the ability to add TikTok audio. You may frequently need to use your favorite audio track or a well-known song from a TikTok video, but you don't want to go through the time-consuming procedure of downloading TikTok and extracting audio. CapCut will help you with that. You just have to launch your CapCut application, and of course, you have to make sure that you're using the latest version of CapCut. To do that, you just have to go to Play Store, type CapCut, and click Update. Now here, what you're going to do is to import a video. Now, below, you can see here sounds. You just have to tap that one, and then it will take you to this part where you can see TikTok original sounds. But at this time, I cannot import because of copyright issues. So you just have to go to this part here, and then here, you can just simply search for the audios and music that you can see on TikTok. Here are the samples. All you have to do is simply save or download, then you can use this audio on your video. Now, here's the thing. If you go back to this TikTok symbol here, then if songs are available on your phone, because I don't know why I can't see it right here, but maybe in your country or maybe in your region, this one is available and there's no copyright issues, then probably you can see tons of TikTok audios that you can use for your videos here on CapCut. So if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.